Assalamualaikum and a good day everyone. So today we group 4 are going to do group discussion, and this group is consists of me, Diana, Juan, Hanan, Hazika and Mawada. So guys, can you guys introduce yourself?
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Juan Samara.
My name is Hana Nafisa.
Hello everyone, my name is Hazika.
My name is Nurul Mawata.
So guys, about today's discussion, actually I have some questions regarding the assignment. Question number 1B. Can someone explain it to me please?
Yes, I can help you with that. So question 1, given the height in centimeter of a sample of chili plants as follow. So there is 17 data given. You are having problem with 1B, right? So the question asks us to find the median, first quartile and third quartile. So median actually is the center of the data given. So we just have to divide the total data given with 2. We get 9, but 9 is not the actual value of the median. It's actually the 9 data from the data given. So we can see in stem and leaf diagram, we just have to find the 9 data there. We get that the 9 data is actually 188. The second question asks us to find first quartile. First quartile is 1/4 from the total of data given. We get 5, but the actual answer is the fifth data. We get from the stem and leaf diagram is 179. Lastly, the question asks us to find third quartile. Third quartile is 3/4 from the data given. We get 13, and the actual answer for the third quartile is actually 196. Diana, can you understand it?
Thanks Hazika for the explanation. Now I understand how to do it.
No problem with that.
So, hey guys, about question number 2, I have some problem to do B and C. Do you mind to tell me how to do it?
It's okay Juan, let me tell you. So for this question, first you need to do is to construct a table so that you can answer the question more easier. So first for question B, the question asks for us to calculate the median and mode of the number of people who are infected, hence comment on the shape of the distribution. Okay, so first we to calculate the median, you just use the formula for median and substitute the value, and then you will get the answer for median is 37. And as for mode, same for median, just use the formula and substitute the value, and you will get the answer is 53.06. And you also need to calculate the mean, because we need to give the comment about the shape of the distribution. So the answer for mean is 36.83. So the question asks for the comment of the shape of distribution. So the answer is, from the calculation, we get that mean is more than median and more than mode. Thus the distribution is negatively skewed. And as for the last question, C, the question asks us to calculate the standard deviation and Pearson's coefficient of the skewness of the distribution, and state with reason which of the above measures of location better describes the distribution of the data. So first we need to okay, for this question, the mean is already given, which is 36.825. And to find variance, just use the formula and substitute the value, and you will get 136.689. From here, you can find the standard deviation by square root the value. And to find Pearson's coefficient of skewness, you will use two different formula. First one, you use the median, and the other one, you use mode. And after you calculate it, you will get the answer as shown right here. Okay, so based on the Pearson's coefficient of skewness, we get it is less than 0, so the distribution is slightly negatively skewed. Pearson's coefficient of skewness that has median is better describe the distribution because the value is smaller, which is negative 0.0377. Compared to Pearson's coefficient that has smooth, the value is negative 1.166. Hence, median is a better measure of location. So Juan, can you understand my explanation?
Yes, thank you. So that's how to do it. Thanks, Diana.
Yeah, sure.
Guys, sorry to interrupt, but I have a question about number 4B in partial question. Can anybody explain it to me, please?
Okay, so untuk soalan nombor 4, saya dah buat soalan ni. So, saya akan terangkan cara untuk buat dia. Soalan 4B. Okay, so soalan nombor 4 ni adalah soalan partial under tajuk 9.2 iaitu discrete random variable. So, kita tengok soalan dia. The discrete random variable x can take value 0, 1, 2 and 3 only. Give that px is smaller and equal to 2 is equal to 0.7. Px is smaller and equal to 1 is equal to 0.55 and ex is 29/20. So untuk kita buat soalan discrete random variable ni, benda yang pertama yang kita buat untuk memudahkan adalah kita kena buat table. Sama ada soalan dia minta ke, dia tak minta ke, ataupun dia dah bagi atau dia tak bagi. So untuk memudahkan kita kena construct table. So untuk soalan 4B ni sendiri dia dah minta kita cara untuk construct table. So cara untuk construct table untuk soalan 4B ni, okay, yang pertama sekali kita buat macam biasa, kita senaraikan dia punya variable x iaitu 0, 1, 2, dan 3. Okay, kemudian dalam soalan dia ada bagi px smaller than and equal to 2 is equal to 0.7. Ini maksud dia adalah kumulatif x sama dengan 2 sama dengan 0.7 dan seterusnya px is smaller than 1 and is smaller and equal to 1 is 0.55. So ini adalah kumulatif untuk x sama dengan 1. So macam mana seperti mana kita tahu kalau total kumulatif akan 1 juga. Kumulatif yang terakhir akan 1. So untuk kita dapatkan dia punya untuk dapatkan dia punya probability. So untuk dapatkan probability, first kali kita tolak 1 tolakkan 0.7, kita dapat 0.3. Kemudian 0.7 tolak 0.55, kita dapat 0.15. So untuk dapatkan A dengan B, kita kena construct dua equation. So equation yang pertama adalah syarat continuous itu sendiri iaitu total probability sama dengan 1. So kita boleh buat A tambah B tambah 0.15 tambah 0.3 sama dengan 1. So kita akan dapat A tambah B sama 0.55. Dan equation kedua adalah berdasarkan informasi yang dia bagi iaitu EX sama dengan 29/20. Kita masukkan formula EX iaitu A darab 0 tambah B darab 1 tambah 0.15 darab 2 tambah 0.3 darab 3 sama dengan 29/20. So kita akan dapat B iaitu 0.25. Kemudian kita masukkan B itu dalam equation yang pertama, kita dapat 0.3. So kita akan dapat lengkapkan table ni iaitu probability X sama dengan 0 sama dengan 0.3, probability X sama dengan 1 sama dengan 0.25. So bila dah selesai soalan 4B ni, kita boleh jawab semua soalan A, C dan D. So saya harap terangan saya ni dapat bantu Mawadah. Okay, terima kasih.
Thank you, Joan. Now I know how to solve this. Thanks, Joan.
You guys are so good at explaining, and because of that, may I ask a question?
Of course, ma'am. Go ahead.
So I want to ask about question number 6B. It is really helpful if you guys can show me how to do it.
Okay. Of course, ma'am. Okay, I can show you how to do it. Okay, first of all, the question given, we ask find the probability that the pen is blue. So, to answer the question of B and 6B, 1 and 2, you can construct a tree diagram based on the information given to answer the question below easily. Okay, for the first question, you have to let be the probability of blue pen. To get the answer probability of B, to get the answer probability of B, the probability of first box multiplied with probability of blue pen in box 1. So like here, as you can see, for the first box, the probability of it is 1/2, and for the blue probability of blue in the first box is 1/2. So you can multiply it, substitute it, and multiply it. On the other hand, probability of the second box multiplied probability of blue pen in box 2. So both of the answer of probability must be added each other. And for the second question, to get the probability of I given by R, you have to use formula that is probability of I intersect R over probability of R. And since we didn't have the probability of R, we can calculate the probability of R just like um, 6b1. So, and then lastly, you can substitute the equation of formula, and you get the answer that is 3/5. So this is how you got all the answer of number 6. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Mawada, for the solution.
It's okay, Hanan. You're
I have
welcome.
last question before we end our discussion. I actually having problem with question 8D. Can someone explain it to me?
Of course, Hazika, I will explain it to you. Okay, for the question 8, okay, soalan adalah a survey was made among hundreds graduates to report on their employment status, and the sample comprised 50 male and 50 female graduates. And the results show that 60 graduates are unemployed, with 2/3 of them male, while the remainder are employed, with 3/4 of them female. And if a graduate is chosen randomly, and soalan D, if a gender does not have any effect on employment, calculate the probability that the graduate chosen is a female or unemployed. So first thing, we can construct table gender and whether it is employment or unemployment. So daripada sini kita tengok table ni 10 tu untuk nilai M intercept E, 30 adalah untuk nilai F intercept E, dan 40 M intercept E prime, dan 20 tu adalah untuk F intercept E prime. So daripada soalan D, dia kata gender does not have any effect on employment. So we can know that this is the independent event. And dia nak suruh kita cari graduate chosen is female or unemployed. So that means probability of F union E prime. So daripada kita boleh guna formula PF tambah PE prime tolak dengan PF intercept E prime. Okay, dan kita tahu yang ni adalah independent event, so PF intercept E prime adalah sama dengan PF times PE prime. So kita masukkan je nilai. Tadi dia kata 50 female graduates yang daripada 100 kan. So probability of F is 50/100 plus dengan PE prime tu adalah untuk probability untuk unemployment graduates. So 60/100 dan tolak dengan PF darab PE prime, kita dapat 30/100. So bila kita tolak, kita akan dapat jawapan dia 4/5. Rasanya tu je. Hazika okey ke? Menjawab tak soalan?
Faham? Okay, now I understand how to solve this question. Thank you, Hanan.
It's okay, Hazika. You're welcome.
Hey guys, I think we're already at the end of our discussion. Thank you so much for joining today.
Yeah, me too. Thanks guys. You guys really did a good job.
You're welcome. I learned so much today. Thanks to all of you.
No problem, Hanan. It feels so great to be able to teach others. It makes me understand it even more.
Yeah, I know, right? Bye, guys. See you too.